world wrong with that. Fuse box, Tennessee. Charlie Brown on the left side, around shaky ground, waving 4 and 1. I just got down.
Hey, right on there, Charlie Brown, no doubt, man. Hey, Charlie Brown, appreciate you bumping the back. Keep it on. Hey, Charlie Brown, is that way going? Go way down here, the fuse box back on the side.
Tim Rod, your fuse box. Well, if you put the old broke spoke on that cotton picker, you tell him I said hello, mellow jello. Ain't no doubt about it. You boys sounding good coming out of 10 today. Fuse box. Take it easy, take care. We'll catch you boys later. We're gonna sit on the side and enjoy some of this good RXing we hearing right now coming off the east side. Fuse box. Charlie Brown with that Monday wave. I'm getting on down.
Keep the fire alive. All right, Charlie Brown, we'll do it again. Old fuse box back quiet. Hey, Rude Dog, why you got 4 and 1 out there, Chief? Rude Dog, man, you just kind of creeped right on in there. Sounding good out there. Both of y'all sounding real good, Charlie Brown. Hey, Charlie Brown, Rude Dog, say hello. Hey, Charlie Brown, 0357. Hey, Rude Dog saying hello, Charlie Brown. You're the bird, baby.
Hey, Yardbird, I appreciate that 5. I know old Rude Dog's been in and out of the hospital, man. He's been in and out of the hospital, but I'm glad to know that he's on the radio. No doubt about it, Yardbird. Yardbird, tell old Rude Dog Charlie Brown waving that 5 right back. Yardbird, Charlie Brown got down.